My name is Monty Lomazzi. I work on our small heating systems for large generators. I put on a lot of different components, from heating element system, control box, wiring. It can be anywhere from just the very start of the assembly process or all the way at the end where I'm testing and putting it away and sending it to the customer. I enjoy the work that I do because it's very dynamic. There are a lot of different steps to the process. It's a quick pace, and it always keeps your mind engaged. There's very few times that I end up in the day questioning, what am I going to do next? Oh, I'm bored, or any of those kind of idle things. The level of training that goes into an employee is high here. It tends to leave the employee feel like they're being cared for. You know, it's tough when you get a new job and then you're just thrown into it and then expected to sink or swim. Here you're taught to swim before you're pushed out into the pool. Being open to change, being open to learning, that's the best skill that you could have. If you're open to that process of learning, pretty much everything here is available to you.
Brought to you by HOTSTART.